Well, excuse the lack of videos. We haven't been too well this week. This flu going round, especially the youngest. So, right. Yeah, this one's not abandoned. Let's just start them up. It's the 72 Beetle. I've been driving them about. I want to change that gear stick really. And there you have it. It's a little 1200 engine. Is the brake stuck on? No. Last drove in just before we went Bournemouth. Had this one coming up to 2 years now. Sweet as a nut. That one, I've started to do little bits too. Now this one looks abandoned. Right, look the gear. Oh, one day, guys. But 14 degrees. December, mid-December. But he's looking a bit sorry for himself, this Mars 1100. Not even driven it yet. And the issue we got was one of the Hydrolastic hoses gone. If anyone in Plymouth, surrounding area, can come in, take it, well, help me take it off, and I'll send it off, get it repaired, and we can get going on it. I haven't got a Scooby. This side's fine, but yeah, I've got to start cracking on with the body work. I enjoy driving this fella. Bought him last April. And yeah. Right, let me just undo the bonnet. I'll show you. So there he is. I know nothing about these cars. Now the leak, look at that, there you go. I've got the fluid, but it's a case of undoing them there and getting this pipe out, which is joined right down the bottom there. Not a clue if I've got to take out the bottle. I presume that's a bottle. Hold the fluid in. Yeah, let me know in the comments, please. And I'll send him away, and that's where he's leaking here. I'm not sure. Did I catch him with a spark when I done the inner wing? That's what could have happened, or he could have caught on the windscreen wiper motor and I'll put that back in. But no, these are pretty tough. I wish it was a case of just repairing them as is. But yeah, let me know in the comments, please. Best way of getting them off, and I'll get sent away. I think it's about 120 quid. I don't mind that. Go and see underneath what the bottle is. Is that a Scooby? See anything? Not a clue. So yeah, if you know, let me know. Sure, he's got to be a classic car guy in Plymouth. I can come out and do the job. That's that side all good. But yeah, obviously here, the valve. Got it, because that side all dropped, impossible to drive. Look how dirty it is. Reason being, we just had a storm and it blew up all these stones, all the mud. So yeah, he ain't abandoned. Anyone took any pictures or you seen it on any pages, I'll have a look inside a minute. Love it. But I want to drive it. Yeah, I was told on the Austin Facebook as I was saying before Dudley and Stanley interrupted me. Yeah, as I was saying, I went on the Facebook. They reckon you got to take off the bottle, then split the metal here to release the bottom of the hose. Yeah, I don't know. That's bottle of cylinder, look. He's in there good and proper, I tell you. I wish I can do it in situ. Can I? I don't know. Not a clue. Not a clue. I know you're shouting at the telly, you got to do this, that, but yeah. Let me know in the comments, please. Begging, because yeah, I want to start putting some time and effort into it now. I've got the license back. Get them all nice driving, polish it, do the rust repairs, which is one here. Got the lower panel there. Inner wings, forget that at the top, they need doing. And I've got that panel there, on the rear, I think. Yeah, the rear corner there. Battery will be flat. Also, I've noticed I've got the carpets all inside, brand new carpet. Got green door card, so this will be a nice little bloody car. Know where in the world you start. We have the fuel pump sticker. Yeah, so I got this in April. Got my license back, what, mid to end of September, and went to drive it the other day and noticed the hydro gas. I've done the video, didn't I? All leaking. Oh, hello. Yeah, I think I've got to get fuel, I think. I've done the Beetle, didn't I? Yeah, I've got to get fuel for this fella. Oh! Hello. Wow. I'm embarrassed, to be honest, seeing this sat here. Tax MOT is insured. I'll message Paul across the road if he can pop over and have a look at the hose. We get it off. I'll maybe be able to get a hose. Oh my god. I want to drive this thing like the Beetle, the Splitty. Yeah. I've got to drive this fella. Cosmo alloys. That's just made my day. That's just made my friggin' day. Oh, tickety tick, look at it. I've got a full service for this. I've got wheel cylinder. No, not wheel cylinder. Bearing, wheel bearing to do. This side. I've got 4 supplied. Needs a good wash. Wow, it's like a sewing machine. The hose, come on. Oh, I'm going to text Paul, mini Paul over the road. If he's in, pop over and we get this sorted. Let that running it. Gear, nothing's happening on the gear. But weather like this, I'm going to spend an hour on him in a bit. Oh, one other thing. Bad Chad. there's no more bad Chad. You all know what happened there. But what it is, thanks to Dan the Man does stuff. Jarno, Lauren, Joe, everyone like that. It's Bad Chad and the Lad. So tune in. 10 o'clock UK, I think it's 5 o'clock Canadian time. And yeah, Chad's back at it with his son Colton. So excellent news. They just painted the Bugatti. But please tune in. I'll leave a link down. And Chad on the social is just completely gone. Because, yeah, I'll say it. Jolene's up and left them, gone. I don't know what happened there, I don't care. It's up to them. And, yeah, the Facebook page that belongs to Jolene and all that, that's all gone. So, Bad Chad and the Lad. So, tune in. And I'll catch you up there tonight at 10 PM. Yeah, bodywork here. I've done my inner seal, didn't I? Yeah, inner seal, inner heater channel, and I've got that piece to weld in next. Get all that done. Cut the rest of the floor. I've got this top bit to remove. Place that floor. Yeah. Mental project, innit? Start removing more paint. Look, love it. Love that. Love that. Love that. What Big Al reckons is just tack that and leave it. So that's what I'm doing. Just look, I've got that repair to do, and I've got the roof to take off as well, the paint. Big Al said, oh, look at him. Yeah, it's not abandoned. I'm getting back at it. Wizard will keep him for a minute, but possibly up for sale. I'm trying to convince Mrs. Coco to keep it. Yeah, he's perfect, that one. The splitty's all good. And the square back I haven't done for a couple of weeks. I've been away. Yeah, the splitty's idling in here, look. Perfect. Where's that heater channel I made? Looking good. Made that for the gear. Absolutely awesome. 3 pieces with bead row. And I've got a cap off the bottom ready to bolt on the floor. I've got a video soon. I've got a hitbox sponsor. So I've been unboxing, and yeah, another one here from my other sponsor. Not that one. Yes, it is. It's that one. That's good. Much needed. I thought I had a mouse in here, but nope. Yeah. Oh, look at him. He's running like a sewing machine. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and if yeah, let me know on this one. Oh wow. This needs driving. Freaking love this thing. Mrs. Detter, she going out with kids. Granddaughter, mate, Martha. Oh, I've got to start cracking on with this. Yeah, thanks for watching. I got a football video tomorrow. Back at the unit. Excuse me, a couple of days next week. Just getting over this flu. Went away last week and come back with it. Lauren, poorly, poor girl. But pass it on to us, kids, eh? That is magnificent. Love it. Well, that's enough of me yapping. We've done a Willet run, the Beetle, the old Morris. 1967, is it? Yeah, 67 this is. 72 gear. Right, leave it there. Cheers.